We here at Get Connected reviewed hundreds, if not thousands, of speakers over the years. But today, we're looking at a speaker that is made specifically for kids. It's called the Jooki Smart Music Player for Kids.
This is super interesting. There's no screen on this thing. There's just a giant speaker, size of like a square little travel case, and a bunch of little characters. They look like colorful chess pieces, but kind of shorter. And I guess the idea is that each one of them has a different theme or different type of music. So right now I've got the little whale. I stick it on top.
And it plays certain music.
Oh, but wait, let's take that one off. Pick another one.
Okay, let's take this little ghost.
Put it on top. Ghost, he's rocking it out.
That's right. So the way the Jooki works is it actually integrates into your premium Spotify account. From there, you can assign each of these little critters to a different playlist or song. So when your kids are actually interacting with it, like you said, there is no screen. All they have to do is put these little figurines on top of the speaker to activate that playlist or that sound.
We do the dragon. Oh, girl from Ipanema?
Yeah, see, and this is a great way to get kids excited about music. You can work with them to get their favorite songs or playlist assigned, and then they don't have to use screens. And this is really great for parents who want to reduce screen times for their kids. Now they can listen to music without having to interact with a tablet or a smartphone. They got their own speaker, it's tied into Spotify, and as a parent, you can decide what they're listening to. You don't want gangster rap for 5-year-olds.
I gotta be honest, like, to heck with the kids, I want one of these. I want one of these in my kitchen. Absolutely. You know, for parties and stuff, you can just grab one of these things here. I want the party to rock on here. I can just put the little guy down and, well, I don't know what kind of parties you have. Crazy party I'm having here, but it's actually kind of cool. I like this thing.
It is. It's a lot of fun. If you have more of these, you can assign them, and it just makes, like you say, for parties, you could just have people really entertained. Kids' birthday parties, this would be
oh my God, that would be amazing.
This would be an absolute winner. Again, we're looking at the Jooki speaker. You can get more information at jooki.rocks. That's Jooki.rocks.